Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge token. Now, this coin has been getting a lot. Now, a massive listing is coming for Shibadoge, and one of the biggest listings is also loading for Shibadoge coin. Now, Mexc, they're actually planning on listing Shibadoge. Of course, I've been waiting for this exchange to list Shibadoge. Remember, Mexc, they are the #1 crypto exchange. I think they are the #2 crypto exchange that have more coins listed on their under them. Okay, yes, they are the #2 with more coins listed over there. So you can see that this exchange support a lot of coins. Coming up as the second exchange with the highest number of coins, it means they list a lot of coins. Okay, and I believe Shibadoge will benefit from them because not just that they are a small exchange, but remember they are ranked number 18 exchange in the world according to coin market cap. Okay, they are around number 18, and they control a lot of money. Their daily volume, they control over $1 billion trading volume, okay, in a single day. That will show you how powerful they are. So for me, I think yes, the listing Shibadoge under this exchange will bring a lot of good things for Shibadoge. It will help Shibadoge to get more community, to help Shibadoge to get more market cap, and that is what we have been waiting to see. Top exchanges coming in for Shibadoge coin. Okay, listing Shibadoge coin. So for me, yes, Mexc listening is going to bring a lot of changes, a lot of positive impact on Shibadoge coin, and I believe that gradually we will keep increasing. Right now we are still on the number 8. I mean that we have about 8 exchanges that have listed this coin, so we will soon be counting 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and from 12 we'll keep counting to 13, to 15, to 20, to 25, to 30, and I believe those who will start now to plan about Shibadoge will be those that will also be smiling to the bank. But as you are planning to buy Shibadoge or to buy more coins, remember to buy what you can afford to lose. Shibadoge should remain one of the best small cap, but right now I believe Mexc listening will help this Shibadoge coin to gain a little ground, to help Shibadoge coin to get a lot of community. So I'm happy to see Mexc planning, and I hope this comes to pass. I hope this partnership, I hope this listening will actually go well for Shibadoge coin. We are waiting for this. We need this. Yes, Shibadoge, we need this. We really need this. Remember, this is not the financial advice, so please do your own research before taking any decisions.